Hello and welcome to the Philippines. It rains sometimes in the Philippines. We're in the wet season, and I decided to take a walk the other day. It just happened to be one of the rainiest days of the year, and a couple of streets flooded along the way. This down near the downtown Cebu City area, down near pretty close to Indepencia Park and Pier 1 area. And kids having a ball out there, dodging traffic, playing daredevils with the traffic, and until they were chased away. Some adult on a motorbike showed up and they fled for their safety. Like right there, they're all taking off. Guy showed up on a bicycle and stopped in the middle of the street. I don't know if he's a traffic enforcer or local constable or what, but they were definitely in fear for their safety. And good thing they got chased out of the street. They were taking some major chances, darting in and out of traffic. On this particular day, it rained hard 3 times while I was walking, over the course of probably 5 hours. And I had to stop, take shelter, the first time for about 40 minutes. It rained hard, then it let up, and I walked for quite some time, and it rained again for probably about 20 minutes, and I spent quite a bit of time in the downtown area, and then it rained again for probably 15 or 20 minutes hard, so I took shelter. But it usually clears up, it stops, and life goes on. So it's not like it, when I hear the term monsoon sometimes, you imagine all day, every day rain. That's not how it is. It might rain 1 or 2 days. They're again less than an hour at a time. Then it usually clears off, doesn't rain most of the rest of the day probably. Different areas and regions of the Philippines have different types of rainfall, and any of you who've lived around mountains understand how mountains affect clouds and rainfall. Hello.
Hey, good.
Hey.
Hello, my friend.
Hello. Hello.
What's up, man? Hey, brother.
Hello.
Hey,
If you were looking for a good reason to come to the Philippines, playing in the rain and the water in the street might be the one that makes you actually come here. Anyway, thank you for coming along. Please like, please share the video, please subscribe. Safe travels to you all. We'll see you next time. And if you prefer the sun, that comes out very quickly also.